Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off inappropriate content and then also political ads and recommendations on your Facebook account. So on the home screen here, let's go to the top right and click our profile. Then scroll on down under this page and we want to go to where it says settings and privacy. So just select this. So we have the option to go to settings now. Scroll on down under here. And we want to go to content preferences. Then go to political content. And just make sure this is turned off. So it says suggest political content. Mine's to the left, it's turned off. If it's turned on, it should be blue. Then we can go to sensitive content. There's no way to completely turn this off. We just have the option for default or show less. You might not see this content at all. So we can just go to save now and we can see exactly what that meant down there. And then we should be good to go on those two topics and subjects. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.